Arcus Servo Motion introduces the new Titan Servo Controller series, setting in motion the Servo 5.0 standard. In addition to having many advanced servo control features, Titan comes with the Second Sight technology, the industry's first motion edge analytics and predictive machine learning algorithm. With Second Sight, Titan meets the challenges facing the emerging Industry 4.0 and smart factory market. The Titan controller series comes in several packages, from small core modules, standalone controllers, to integrated motors, and supports everyday communication options, including Ethernet, USB, RS-485, and user-programmable Wi-Fi. Titan also comes with popular industrial communication options such as EtherCAT, Ethernet IP, and CAN Open. Welcome to a new era in servo intelligence.